Satnam Yogis. This is Riikka. I'm looking at fish jumping. This is my favorite spot. So I started with KTT a year ago, so I'm graduating, and I started with salimah in the beginning of 2021. I was in a point that I was a 50-year-old menopausal woman who had just come off some medication and was overweight, chronically in pain, and very, very tired. So I just realized, like, it's either go up or go down. And because of being so tired and overweight and fucked up by menopause, I couldn't do all the things that I used to do. So I had this very bad experience with Kundalini Yoga, but somehow that was like in 20 years ago, and I decided, like, no, this is something I want to try out. And actually it was more Salimah's way of teaching that drew me to it, and this calm and this very simple, potent practices that really helped me, that just drew me in more and more. And by the end of summer 2021, I realized, like, I want to be accountable. So I thought that this program, KTT, would make sure that I would continue with my practice. And I also wanted to know more what is deep down in the science of it. And then by miracle, there was this beautiful community also that really started to dig into much deeper grounds than I had expected. And there was a lot of programming that had to be reprogrammed or deprogrammed, and one of them is chronic pain, one of them is managing my own energy, and one of them is also poverty mentality, or not allowing myself to shine or be successful. And by now I'm probably 20 kilos lighter. I have no chronic pain. I'm actually embarking on business courses and setting up my own company. So it's pretty amazing change, and most of all, I find such deep purpose in teaching, and I find such deep purpose in elevating myself and showing up for myself, both on mat and outside the mat. And yeah, like the fish jumping, you know, we make ripples, and I want to be more attuned to what my ripples are. So here we are, graduating. So Satnam, I hope your journey is going to be amazing too. Take care. Bye.